Hey everybody, my name is Jennifer Turcotte with IGL Coatings, and this is
Marcus Parsley with IGL Coatings.
And we're here to talk to you today about IGL Tyre, which is going to be a low VOC, non-silica, water-based tire dressing. Marcus, why don't you tell us how to apply it?
It's simple. Put it on a tire applicator or wax applicator or microfiber sponge, anything like that. Rub it on, give it a few minutes. If you'd like a little more sheen, add another coat. But otherwise, it's ready to go. Easy.
Yeah. And one of the big things that I really like about this tire dressing is that it actually makes the tires look like it's brand new again.
Like they're supposed to.
Yes, and it doesn't give it a very, almost a too shiny look, which certain cases that will actually attract dirt and it'll turn the tire brown. So this is an amazing product. I highly suggest it. I use it all the time.
Me too.
For more information on this product, visit autogeek.com.